Hey, and welcome to my living room. I have plants everywhere in this house. Outside, inside, upside, downside, terrariums, everywhere. But this corner, so you may recall I made a video a while back on the smart light that Glowrium has put out that works with their app. And that has worked great right above the terrarium for that one plant. However, I'm trying to make room for some other plants to come into the house, and I've got some big ones hanging out. A couple Monsteras, a Monstera Escalito. Oh my God, that thing's a beast. And I'm thinking that would look great in that corner. And I needed better lighting because that tabletop version lamp just isn't enough. Well, lo and behold, Glowrium reached out to me and asked me to do a product demonstration for their LED floor grow light, the G5 model. Now, I can't find this online. I can't find it on Amazon. I don't know, maybe they have a website somewhere, but I can't find it, but you gotta look for it. We're gonna open the box and see what we got going there. So, here we go. Okay, and there you have it. I've got my new corner set up. That Monstera has been hanging out in the window getting a lot of sun, so those leaves will eventually turn up toward the light, and then we'll be able to see that Florida ghost some more. And hoping the rest of this kind of fills in, but wow, kind of liking the jungle vibes. So check out Glowrium. Their grow lights, their floor lights, great products. I've been very pleased. Sturdy, durable. Until next time, happy houseplants.